Hello students, myself Professor Anand Gurshantappa Umdi, and for the 6th semester I am going to teach you one of the interesting subjects called as Income Tax 1, and the syllabus of Income Tax 1 is going to be forwarded to you, and please go through the syllabus. And today let me start the syllabus of Income Tax 1, and the first chapter is chapter 1, Introduction to the Income Tax. So in that, let me start first important element of chapter 1, that is so called as History of Income Tax in India. Because first we need to understand how the income tax has rightly been taken birth. And if you go through the history of India, probably you will come across with concept called as soldiers mutiny. What is a soldiers mutiny? As we know that the India was under the strict rule, strict control of the British people for more than 4 decades. At that time, the Indian people have rightly started freedom movement since in the year 1857. Why? Because the Indians wants to come out from the strict control of the British government. Why? Because the British people are ruling India as well as the Indians like anything. That is why Indians have rightly called for the freedom movement since in the year 1857. And Indians have rightly demanded for autonomy, rightly demanded for independence from the strict rule of British government. So that is the one of the instances which has propagated for imposing income tax in India. Why? Because if you go to the real literature, one personality called as James Wilson, since in the year 1860 has rightly introduced income tax for the first time in India. The intention is that whatever the expenditures which has been made so as to cover all those expenditures, British people have started imposing income tax in India. Why? Because when the Indians have called for the freedom movement, the British people also called for the war against India. And during that war, huge expenditures, huge losses have been incurred by the British government so as to suppress all those losses, so as to recover all those expenditures. A person called as James Wilson, since in the year 1860 he has rightly imposed income tax in India for the first time, and thereafter many repealments, many amendments have been made by the Indian people, and later the India has rightly come with the one important act called as New Income Tax Act of 1961, and it has been implemented in India since in the year 1st April 1962. This is how the concept of income tax had rightly been emerged and originated in a country like India. So this is the brief history of income tax in India. Please go through the same. Thank you.